Hi, it's Emily Stein here from Roll for Fitness. So for people that work at computers throughout the day and are concerned about having good posture, you want to sit up straight, what great exercises you can do and a prop you can use is a body rolling pro ball. So what we'll do is we'll place it directly at the base of your spine. So it's right at that mid portion, kind of at the bottom. We're placing the ball at the bottom of the chair. So we're just going to let the ball stay here, and we're gonna breathe. You'll inhale and you'll exhale into the ball. So you can kind of shift your weight here a little bit from side to side just to feel where the ball is. And you'll just wait and breathe. And then you'll move the ball up to your mid back, so right here. And you'll just wait. So you can have this in your back while you're working at the computer. It's a way to keep your posture in check. This is also a routine you can do just using a chair for your spine. And as you exhale, the ball moves up. So it's right at that space before your shoulders. So it's upper, middle, back. And you just wait. So when I'm here, I'm gonna press my weight into the ball. And I'm just gonna shift my weight a little bit from side to side. And then you're gonna move the ball up as you exhale. The ball is going to go in between your shoulder blades like this. You inhale, as you exhale, you press your weight out into the ball. So when you're here, you can take your arms like this. You can get a nice open of your chest. You inhale and you come forward. You exhale as you come back. And then you bring your head up. And then you can move the ball up one more spot. So it's in between your shoulder blades. This is a spot that gets tight on everyone. So this is a nice counterbalance stretch. So when you're here, you can take your arms and you can just get a nice long stretch into the ball. Or you can just have your arms by your side like this and you're just reaching your arms back. We want nice broad chests. So I'm not arching, I'm just reaching my shoulders back. And you'll breathe. And as you exhale, you'll take the ball out and just feel that. It should feel looser. If you thought that you would enjoy this, I do sell the body rolling balls. And if you'd like more information, feel free to reach out to me. My number is 813-591-3016. My website is rollfitness.com. I'm your local Tampa Bay active, isolated, stretching, and Yamana body rolling practitioner, teaching you how to roll and stretch your way to better health. Thank you so much, and have a lovely day, everyone. Bye.